Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Name of the subject Mathematics, Standard 8, topic Surface Area and Volume, Part 1. Name of the teacher Mrs. Snehal Sarvaiya. Children, in this video we will learn total surface area of cuboid, total surface area and volume of cube and practice set 16.1. Here you can see a shape that is called a cuboid. Let's learn. Cuboid, cube, cylinder, etc. are three-dimensional solid figures. These solid figures occupy some space. The measures of the space occupied by a solid is called the volume of the solid. Let's see for cuboid. Cuboid is made up of 6 surfaces. Each surface is a rectangle. Example, brick, matchbox, fish tank, etc. If L, B, H denote the length, breadth and height of a cuboid, then total surface area is equals to 2 in the bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Next is a cube. Cube is made up of 6 surfaces. Each surface is a square. All squares are equal. Example, ice cubes, sugar crystals, dice, etc. If L is the length of each edge of a cube, then lateral vertical surface area is equal to 4L square, total surface area is equal to 6L square and volume is equals to L cube. Let's see practice set 16.1. Question 1. Find the volume of a box if its length, breadth and height are 20 centimeters, 10.5 centimeters and 8 centimeters respectively. Solution. The length of a box L is equal to 20 centimeters. The breadth of a box B is 10.5 centimeters. The height of a box H is 8 centimeters. Volume of the box is equal to L into B into H, which is equal to 20 into 10.5 into 8, that is 1680 cubic centimeters. Therefore, volume of the box is 1680 cubic centimeters. Question 2. A cuboid shaped soap bar has a volume 150 cc. Find its thickness if its length is 10 cm and breadth is 5 cm. Solution. Volume of cuboid shaped soap bar is equal to 150 cc. Its length L is 10 cm and breadth B is 5 cm. So here volume of cuboid shaped soap bar is equal to L into B into H. The volume is already given, that is 150. So 150 is equal to 10 into 5 into H. 150 is equal to 50 into H. 150 upon 50 is equal to H. Therefore H is equal to 3 centimeters. So the thickness of the bar is 3 centimeters. Question 3. How many bricks of length 25 cm, breadth 15 cm and height 10 cm are required to build a wall of length 6 meter, height 2.5 meter and breadth 0.5 meter? Let's see the solution. For bricks, length L 25 cm, breadth B 15 cm, height H 10 cm. For wall, length L1 6 meter, that is 600 centimeters. Breadth B1, that is 0.5 meter, is equal to 50 centimeters. Height H1 is 2.5 meters, that is 250 centimeters. Number of bricks required to build the wall is equal to volume of the wall upon volume of the brick. So here L1 into B1 into H1 upon L into B into H, that is 600 into 250 into 50 upon 25 into 15 into 10. After solving this, we'll get the answer as 2000. Therefore, 2000 bricks are required to build the wall. Question 4. For rainwater harvesting, a tank of length 10 meter, breadth 6 meter and depth 3 meter is built. What is the capacity of the tank and how many liters of water can it hold? Let's see the solution. Length of the tank L is 10 meters. breadth B is 6 meters and height h is 3 meters. Volume of the tank is L into B into H, that is 10 into 6 into 3 is equal to 180 meters cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So volume of the tank is 180 into 1000 liters, that is 1,80,000 liters. Therefore, capacity of the tank is 180 meters cube and volume of the tank is 1,80,000 liters. Thank you.